Hey there, my name is Trevor with Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today we are unboxing a brand new Amantii Symmetry fireplace. I'm pretty curious to get this out of the box and see what it looks like. It's supposed to be kind of a different product that Amantii's offering, different flame pattern. A lot of Amantii's flame pattern is sort of more of a rolling flame. This is supposed to offer more of a realistic flame pattern. The biggest competitor it's supposed to be like is the Dimplex Ignite XL, which we have right here. So we're gonna go up against the Dimplex Ignite XL, do them side by side, and we'll see what it looks like, see how different the flame pattern is. All right, let's open it up. Okay, so you can see I just unboxed it, and I was actually pretty pleasantly surprised. It's just lifted right out of the box. It all came pre-assembled. This frame looks like it's pre-attached on here, and it's pretty solid, nice clean lines. You can see the Dimplex, you do have your air openings for your blower. The blower is gonna blow out here, it looks like. It's gonna kind of shoot downwards on it. So does come standard, looks like with the logs pre-installed. They do give you these beads here if you like more of a modern crushed glass look. So let's turn it on and see what we're dealing with here. So the idea behind it, again, was to kind of get rid of that rolling flame pattern in the other Amantiis, and the Dimplex sort of has that dissipating flame. Looks pretty similar. Just looking at it in comparison, I kind of like it. You know, one of the things with the Dimplex is our flame can only be orange. Looks like we get multicolor flame adjustments on here. They do have a mood light, so let's turn that on. See if we can get that going here. So here I'm just sort of toggling through the mood light. You can kind of see it shining down on the logs. It's pretty cool, you know. And then we have a flame pattern adjustment as well. Looks like we have 3 colors, blue, yellow, and orange. So let's sort of play with that. Here we get rid of the blue, and that's it up against the the Dimplex there. Much deeper colors. Looks like a little bit thicker flame pattern as well. This is a 60-inch model. It does come in a variety of sizes as well as an extra tall. Let's see what it looks like here if we get rid of the yellow. So that's it just on the orange. Looks pretty good. And then looks like some dimming settings. You can go all blue. Let's play with the night light here a little bit. So pretty cool design. It does sort of have these pronounced sort of dissipating lines here. That's probably something to do with the template in the back of the electric fireplace, a lot like the Dimplex. But it does, I would say it sort of gets rid of that rolling flame pattern, more of an upwards type flame pattern. What's really cool too is the idea is this is, let's measure it here. So we're about 6 1/4 inches, so about the same size as the Dimplex. And the idea with this border is we'll show you a video of the back here, but it sort of sticks up out past the box, so it's going to be an easier type install for a retrofit type unit versus the typical Amantii Panorama or the True Flame type series, because those are going to be, you know, almost more like a full construction project, whereas this can be retrofitted in a 2x6 wall pretty easy. Blower controls are on the remote as well, so pretty cool. I like it. You know, you get the mood light as well as all the color adjustments, so a little more flexibility. This is probably how most people would have it, something like that. That's with all 3 colors on. I like it. Looks pretty cool. Okay, here's more of a close-up between the 2 units after looking at them a little bit closer. You can see what's kind of cool about the Amantii is it does fill up the firebox more, and you get all those color variations. Versus the Dimplex, you sort of see a lot of blank space. They both kind of have this pitchforky type thing at the top. I'm not crazy about them both models, but the Amantii seems to be a little bit more pronounced. See, it's a little more steady, whereas the Dimplex has it also too. That's like the template they're using in the back. It's the case for both models. So not crazy about that feature, but overall I do like how it fills the firebox, and I do like all the color variation on top of having a mood light that the Dimplex doesn't offer. You can see too, you get a little bit less reflection on the Amantii. The Dimplex, you can see our tripod in the background, so you definitely see more reflection on the Dimplex, but the Amantii kind of has more of a dull finish to it. But the trade-off is the Dimplex Ignite almost intentionally has that reflection, so the fire bed looks like it's back in behind the flame. The bad news is you can see it almost like a mirror back in behind there. You can see the tripod and some of our inserts there. Whereas this unit, I'm not really picking up much reflection at all, which is kind of cool. But the flame looks more recessed versus the flame looks more in the middle there. So those are just some initial thoughts after just open it up. Again, we've looked at this thing for maybe a minute or so. Yeah, not too bad. Looks pretty cool. So we'll give you some close-ups, but we'll do another in-depth review once we get it in the wall. But that's just our unboxing. My initial thoughts are it's pretty cool. We'll see what the price points come in at. But just the initial eye test, I'd say, you know, the Dimplex Ignite's one of our best-selling units. I wouldn't see a reason why to not stack this up against it. So we'll give you some close-up, and thanks a lot for checking out this video. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for other product updates and features, whether it's our product reviews on our gas fireplaces, electric fireplaces, or outdoor products like our barbecues. Make sure to like this video as well. Thanks so much for checking out our channel.